Is there a troublesome pothole on your property you need taken care of? Gaddis Strategic will handle everything. Its services are designed to prevent and remedy damage to asphalt caused by low temperatures and harsh weather. Their experts can perform their work for locations, including schools, places of worship, hospitals, and residential homes. Its services include hot asphalt patching for pothole reparation and asphalt seal coating for complete ground protection. Their hot asphalt patching service involves the insertion of heated asphalt into the pothole. Their experienced team will then level off the excess. Even though the asphalt is burning hot when poured into the hole, it cools down rapidly. You can also opt for their Vital Asphalt Seal Coating service to protect your ground from cracks and water absorption. Click on the link in the description to find out more.